What's going on today, guys? So today's Sunday. Yesterday we were out pretty late filming truck meets and whatnot. So today I'm gonna kind of take the day and try and clean the truck out, clean up the house a little bit, you know, do some adult things, I guess. So that's probably what most of the first part of the video is gonna be, is we're trying to get some stuff done around the house. Christina's gone all morning. She's off to the gym and grocery store and stuff. So I don't have a lawnmower still. I should be picking that up tomorrow, but the goal is I gotta get the office cleaned up in there, and I'm gonna get the truck vacuumed out today. I stole the shop vac from work, and so we're gonna try and get that cleaned out. Hopefully I can vacuum hers out. She's been wanting me to do that for a while too. So, you know, just trying to get some adult things done on a Sunday. Typical. Is my camera still fogging up? Yeah, it is. Whole time fogging up on me the whole freaking time. How nice. I just realized my extension cord is too short. Brand new extension cord. Now, I'm not actually gonna wash the truck today because I don't actually have a hose at my house, which kind of sucks, to be honest. I don't have a hose. A lot of you know Zach and Cody of EXZACT Customs, or the Tint Shop as I like to call it. And a lot of times I don't give them the credit that they deserve. They are awesome people, they do amazing work, and today I get to celebrate something amazing with them.
My name?
I did, I already changed the name.
You did?
Yeah,
All
I
right.
finally, I'm
yes,
sorry.
Dude, no, you're good.
So, I want to give a huge shout out to my man Zach. Huge shout out to Zach. Zach tinted his first fucking Lambo the other day. Can I get a hell yeah?
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah. Zach tinted his first freaking Lamborghini the other day.
Well, no, and I've done a couple Lamborghinis. It was
really?
the first for my own company.
Really?
Exactly.
So Zach tinted under the EXZACT Customs name the first tinted Lamborghini. How'd it go?
Dude, it was
amazing,
awesome.
I'm assuming.
Yeah,
because you're the best.
He actually called up Nifty Nichols and he was like, man, this came out great, and he had nothing but great accolades to say about it, man.
We all eat. We all eat around here. We all, yeah.
Always.
Hey.
I'm trying to get this bread too, man.
We always get this bread.
See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it.
It's always raining when I try to leave. Freaking crazy. Always raining. Raining on my new lawnmower too. Yeah, we've been on the grind day. I think today's 116. Day 116. So it was pouring rain when I left Zach's shop. Sorry if my face is kind of dirty. It's been a rough day. Just stick with me. So I got a new lawnmower today. Huge shout out to my coworker Davis. Got a new lawnmower today. It's actually the same kind of lawnmower that I have, except everything works on it. The self-propel works, which I don't use. The blades aren't messed up. It's got a brand new cover on top for the cord and everything. It's like the Honda 3-in-1, which is one of the best lawnmowers. It came with the bag. Even came with the bag. These are big important things on the channel. Getting a new lawnmower is very important to me. Very important. These are important things. I got a new fucking lawnmower. This is exciting. It's exciting. And I'm finally getting the truck washed. It's been at least 3 or 4 weeks. I haven't gotten the truck washed. I was very nice to Matt and cleaned the windows off. Most of it. Clean the windows off. I'm gonna let him deal with the yeah, you get to deal with that. I'm not dealing with that. I love you, but I'm not. Wow.
Huh.
Just pick that up.
Interesting.
Have fun with that. It's been a rough day. The video's all over the place, but I have I had an idea for the video today, but it's not really gonna work because I wasn't able to clean the back of the truck out. I really want to pull up the bed cover because it's just that like plastic place-in bed cover that GM puts into their trucks. I really wanted to pull that up and clean under it, but I don't think we're gonna be able to have time for that today. And I still want to try and cut the grass. So Matt's gonna get started on the truck here. I'm rocking the fuck out of this Yoo-hoo shirt right now. It makes me look kind of big.
You are big.
Drop in the comments if I'm getting big. I'm getting kind of swole. And let's get to it. Hydrate. Are you Are you having fun trying to get the paint off?
No. Why would you do that?
Christina started it.
Oh, that stuff was on there forever.
That's an amazing sound. What a pro.
Ooh, all the paint is gone. Hell. Whoa. All the paint's gone. All clean. Shout out to my beautiful lawnmower. Hell yeah, look at that. Looking so good. Y'all want to see where I cooked that steak the other day? I don't think that's gonna come off. That's like burnt on there. Great. Do-do-do-do-do.
But the red one's got the straight. I don't care about that.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh. I'm pretty excited. Christina said she made me something to eat. Stopped and got her some wine. So I'm pretty excited to see what she made. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is.
All right, so this is a kale and mozzarella. Tell them. Kale and mozzarella. I can't read it. It's backwards. Kale and mozzarella charbroiled chicken burger on some toasted toast and bacon. Looks like bacon. Is that bacon?
And cheese.
And cheese. I don't know what kind of cheese, but there's cheese on it.
Just the only shredded cheese that I have.
Oh.
Mine's cuter.
Sure.
I put feta and jalapeno on it. Is it good? Hello?
I like this. Well,
Honey?
honey?
Butter? Put
Yeah.
honey butter on it.
Yeah, taste that. I'm gonna finish this. We did get the truck wash today. Huge shout out to Matt. If you guys like vehicle washing, detailing, truck washing, whatever the hell you want to call it, kind of content, it's the video for you. I'm gonna drop in some old clips, some old videos of me getting the truck washed. I hope you guys enjoy the content today. A little bit of a shorter video. Let's reminisce, enjoy some food. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Let's get this ready.
That's what I'm talking about.